Logistics did not begin as an industry, it began as a survival activity. From early humans moving food and tools to today's global supply networks powered by technology, logistics has continuously evolved. In this video, we will clearly understand how logistics developed across different historical phases and how each phase shaped the modern logistics systems we work with today. In ancient civilizations, logistics was mainly about survival and expansion. People had to move foods, tools, and raw materials. Trade routes like the Silk Road connected continents. Armies depended on logistics to transport weapons, food, and shelter. Storage was critical because societies needed to preserve surplus crops. At this stage, logistics was manual, slow, geographically limited, but it laid the foundation of organized movement and storage. The word logistics itself comes from military operations. Wars forced nations to develop structured systems for procurement, transport, storage, and distribution. The need to supply soldiers continuously over long distance led to planning methods, inventory control, and route management. Many principles we use today, such as depot, scheduling, and supply chains, originated from military logistics. The Industrial Revolution completely changed logistics. Factories began producing goods in large volumes. Railways and steamships enabled faster and longer distance transportation. Warehouses evolved from simple storage areas into commercial distribution points. Logistics shifted from survival and warfare to supporting trade, manufacturing, and economic growth. In the 20th century, logistics became a structured business function. Companies introduced planning systems, standardized packaging, warehouse management, and scheduled transportation. Logistics was no longer isolated activities. It became a connected system. This era also saw the early development of supply chain thinking, linking suppliers, factories, warehouses, and customers. The introduction of standardized shipping containers transformed global logistics. Containers reduced cargo handling time, improved safety, and drastically lowered cost. Ports became faster, vessels became larger, and international trade expanded rapidly. This single innovation connected continents into today's global logistics network. Modern logistics is driven by technology. Digital platforms manage warehouses and transportation. GPS enables real-time tracking. Automation improves speed and accuracy. Data analytics support forecasting and decision making. Artificial intelligence is now optimizing routes, inventory, and demand planning. Logistics today is intelligent, connected, and predictive. Logistics has evolved into a full ecosystem. It now integrates manufacturers, transporters, warehouses, customs authorities, technology providers, and customers. Modern logistics focuses on visibility, collaboration, and service excellence. It is no longer about moving goods, but about managing connected value networks. Understanding logistics evaluation helps us appreciate why modern logistics is complex and strategic. It explains the need for professional skills, digital knowledge, and system thinking. Logistics is now a key driver of global trade, business competitiveness, and national economies. This is the foundation of everything we study in logistics. In the next videos, we will break down each modern logistics function in detail. Subscribe to LEC channel to continue learning logistics and supply chain concepts explained simply.